Hi, this is Brendan with Cusack Prep, and in this video we're going to be discussing functions as they appear on the SAT. So the first thing you might wonder is, what is a function? Well, it's probably something you're familiar with and you've probably seen it before. A function usually is written as f of x, although sometimes it's written as g of x, and it's a mathematical operator that basically tells you a series of operations to perform on a certain variable. So one example of a function might be f of x equals 2x minus 7. Another example of a function could be g of x equals x squared minus 2x plus 3. Anything like that. Now, when evaluating functions, usually you're going to be presented with something like f of x equals 2x minus 7, but then you're also going to be asked to figure out what the value of f of a certain number is. So a very simple question might ask you to figure out what f of 3 is. Well, notice here how x has just been replaced by 3 on the left-hand side of the equation. Instead of f of x, we have f of 3. So what that means is, on the right side of the equation, we are also just going to replace x with 3. Now, anytime we replace a variable, we want to do so in parentheses. That's key. Anytime you replace a variable, use parentheses. So then we can just follow order of operations, PEMDAS. So we're going to multiply first. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 7 is going to give us negative 1. Let's take a look at another one. Let's say I wanted you to figure out what f of negative 2 was. So just like before, we can see that instead of x, we have negative 2. So this is going to be 2 times negative 2 minus 7. Again, parentheses. Now, following order of operations, 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, and negative 4 minus 7 is going to give us negative 11. Finally, we'll just do one more with the g function. So let's say I wanted you to tell me what g of 5 was. Again, x has been replaced by 5, so we're going to do 5 squared minus 2 times 5 plus 3. So this is going to give us 25 minus 10 plus 3. 25 minus 10 is 15, plus 3 is going to give us 18. And that's how you start some very basic functions problems. On the SAT or ACT, these problems would be one of the first few in the section. It might be problem 3, 4, 5, something like that, so generally not too difficult. In the next video, we're going to discuss composite functions and how they appear on the SAT. Thank you for watching.